Hi everyone, Adam here. Today, I'm taking a closer look at Cove, a home security company that's become pretty well known for offering a straightforward experience and solid professional monitoring. Before we get into it, I want to mention something quickly. If you're looking for what I personally think is a better alternative, make sure you check the link in the first comment and also in the description. It might point you toward a setup that fits your home even better. So, Cove has built its reputation around simple installation and dependable equipment. And honestly, that part held up. The system is designed so that most people can get it up and running without needing any complicated tools or scheduling a tech visit. The base station, the sensors, and especially the main alarm panel are all laid out in a way that feels intuitive. One thing that stood out to me right away is the alarm panel's built-in panic functions. You don't see this level of emergency flexibility in every system. Cove gives you dedicated police, fire, and auxiliary, which is basically for medical situations. Each one instantly alerts the monitoring team, who then handle dispatch. It's the kind of feature that gives you peace of mind because you know help can be sent quickly with just a single press. Now, Cove does use UFI cameras in their lineup. While the video quality and overall performance from UFI is good, I did run into a few hiccups during installation. Nothing that stopped the system from working, but it's worth knowing that the cameras may take an extra minute or two to get fully synced into your setup. And speaking of delays, shipping did take a little longer than expected in my case. Again, not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind when you're planning your installation timeline. What Cove does really well is pairing that simple setup with professional monitoring. For people who want a reliable team watching over their home, this combination makes a ton of sense. And like many professionally monitored systems, Cove offers plans that can give you some really nice savings up front. Overall, Cove isn't perfect, but it definitely has strengths that make it worth considering, especially if you want easy setup, solid gear, and fully monitored protection. The emergency panic options alone are a strong selling point. But if you're still deciding, remember that I've linked what I think is a better alternative in the first comment and also in the description. Take a moment to check that out before you make your final choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you want a system that might be an even better fit for your home, that link in the comment and the description is where you'll find it.